Hi guys, welcome to Code Wild, and today we are back with another question called Power of 2, which basically put easy level question. And what the question is, they are given integer n, how to return true if it is a power of 2, otherwise return false. Basically, integer n is the power of 2 if there exists an integer l such that n double equal to power. For example, n equal to 1 and 1 can be represented as 2 power 0, so it's 2. 16 can be represented as 2 power 4, so it's 2. What if the case is 24? No, you can't represent 24 in the form of 2 power x, so it's false. Even same goes with this with n equal to 3. You can't represent 3 as 2 power x, so it's false. Right. How will you solve this? Basically, you can solve this by many different approaches, but they need an optimized version because they're asking could you solve it without using loop and recursion. So they need an optimized version or optimized approach. Basically, the optimized approach you can do using bit manipulation. Even in bit manipulation, you can do different techniques. You can apply different techniques like bit masking, and today I'm just showing you one of the simplest approach which you can apply. So let's go to paint. Let me just give an example. For example, the so what if so for example, if we want to check if 4 is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible because it's 2 power 2, right? Fine. 2 power 2 is 4, right? So what is the binary form of 4? That is 1 0 0, right? Okay, what is, let's take 3 now. What is the binary representation of 3? That is 0 1 1, right? You can see that in every bit, there is no consecutive 1 bits, right? If there is 1 in this place, there is no 1 in this, right or wrong? Yes. So okay, let's take some other example. Let's take what should we take? Let's take 16. 16 is 1 0 0 0 0, right? This is 0 place, 1 place, 2 place, 4 8 16. Yeah. So what is 16, right? Still, what is 15? 15 is 1, this is 0 1 1 1, right? You can see that in each consecutive bits, if you compare both of the bits, in each bit it's varying, right? If it is 0 here, it's 1. It's 1 here, it's 0 here. So what if we take AND of it? What if we do AND? We get, what do we get? We get 0 0 0 and 0, right? What if we do AND to this 2? We get 0. What are we observing then? Can we say that if n and n minus 1 is equal to 0, then the number n is divisible? Can we say this? We can say, right? Because as you know, it's an even and it's an odd one. right? Obviously it will differ because this will be in the form of 2 powers, right? There will be no ones. Always there will be 2 powers. Only it will be if it's an even number. It doesn't it will not contain the first bit, right? So we can say this, right? Through this condition, we can say that n is divisible or not, right? Yeah. So that's a simple condition. So what you can do is let's just try this. So if n and n minus 1 double equal to 0, then return true, or else return false. Right? Let's just run the code. There is no attention. There is something wrong. There is 0 expected is 0, but okay. Let's do one thing. Instead of writing this, let's write like n, if n is less than 0, return false. This should be one of the this case, right? What if it's less than 0, less than or equal to 0? Fine. Or we can just return it as n minus 1 double equal to 0. We can do this also, right? Yes, we can do this. To work now. Yes, okay. So yeah, that's it. I hope this technique would have helped you. And yeah, if you like the video, you can if you like the content, you can like the video. And yeah, as I said, just stay tuned and subscribe to the channel because there are a lot of many contents which are going to come in the future from this channel relating to web development and ML. So yeah,